Hi everyone, welcome to another Pro Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about some of the ways in which to make competition day easier. And one of the things I wanted to talk about is getting yourself as a rider organised. For me, I have a folder, and as you can see, test sheets and competition information. So inside this folder, I have all the tests that the horses I'm riding and competing are doing at the moment. And do I have several copies? I think I've even got several copies, so that if I can leave one in the float and then take another one out if necessary. I don't really do that anymore, but sometimes just carrying it in your pocket, that was a really good tool for me. I knew I could whip it out, and that meant that I never really needed to pull it out. I've got a little bag with magnets, so I can stick things onto the float or anything, any metallic surface. I'll always print off a copy of the drawer the night before and put it in this folder as well. And at the back, we have the list. This list, for me, it's imprinted on my memory. However, it's still good to check every now and then. So this is my competition list. It's a checklist with, everything I will need to take with me on the day, from draw to bridle numbers to stock and stock pin. It even tells me to take a hair tie. I've gone to a competition without a hair tie before. Do I have a change of clothes? Do I have sunscreen? Have I packed folding chairs? Everything I might possibly need, including everything that's already in my show grooming kit. We've got clean towels. Have I got warm rugs for my horse? Have I got hay nets and extra string for tying up? So, it's a pretty comprehensive checklist, and one that I've used. I think I wrote it out first maybe 10 or 15 years ago, and so everything, I've refined it since then, so everything that I possibly need is on there. So for me, this is one of the things that is really valuable for me to take with me on competition day, and if it's ready the night before, then it's just a grab and go with all of my stuff. All of my rider stuff that's ready to go. This is one of the things that helps make my competition day easier. If it works for you, then it can help make yours easier as well.